Okay, that hurts so much. I slipped in the mud and now my hands are so dirty. Hi everyone, it's Susan. How's everyone doing today? It's finally a nice day today, so we're going to go hiking. I don't know where we're going hiking, but I hope it's a good trail. And I really hope that this trail will be easier. In my last vlog, I hiked up to a waterfall and then I was stuck up there, as it was so steep. If you haven't checked that out, the link will be down in the description. And I would highly recommend go seeing that because it was really fun. Look how beautiful it is now. I always love to look at the shapes in the clouds and see what I can find. I'll see you guys once we get there. We just got to the regional park and I'm so excited to go hiking. It's so nice out today and so sunny. It finally feels like summer. The park looks so amazing. Oh, this is only the parking lot. We were so lucky to find the parking spot because the parking lot is so full. There are so many people today. I guess on a nice day like today, why wouldn't you want to go hiking? This was so tricky to drive up because the road is so narrow. Oh, the trees are so relaxing. I love this. I wonder if we can see some animals today. I got my hiking shoes and now I'm headed to hike. I made another mistake again, which was I forgot to bring bug spray and I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. This was the same thing as last time and I keep forgetting. Do I ever learn? So far it's pretty easy, not so hard. I am so slow, my parents are way ahead of me. Scary place to get through. Oh, I'm so happy I made it. My parents didn't want to wait for me, so I'm alone now. This is so icky and mushy. How am I going to get across? Okay, let's do this. Okay, almost there. Now I just need to get across the big log. Oh, I can see the lake. It's so nice. Oh, I made it. And there's so many bugs around. This is a really nice lookout. I am so tired. I'm sweating so much. Oh, this tree looks so nice. I really want to climb it. I can easily climb that.
I'll show you where you go.
Oh, I hear music down there. It's so nice. The mountains look so beautiful. That hurts so much. I slipped in the mud and now my hands are so dirty. We made it past the dangerous part. And now this is a lot easier. I am so glad that's over. These flowers are so beautiful. It's my favorite colors. So after almost 3 hours, we finally made it back to the parking lot. I am so tired and my legs are about to fall off. The hike was so nice today. There were some tricky spots during the hike, but I'm so happy I survived this since my balance is so terrible. Overall, it was a pretty good hike, except for the bugs and mosquitoes. For some reason, they are so attracted to me. I think a mosquito actually went inside my nose. So this was a really bad idea forgetting to bring my bug spray. Hopefully I'll remember next time. And my shoes are so dirty now. It was so mushy, but I would say this hike is less intense than the grass grind and way safer. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna get lots of pimples because I was scratching my face so much as the mosquitoes were all over my face. And it was itching so much. Note to self, bring bug spray next time. The scenery was so nice during the hike though. The parking lot is so empty now. My hands are so dirty now, so I'm gonna use some hand sanitizer. We just got home now and I'm so excited to take a shower because I'm so dirty from my fall. Oh, and I hear Simba barking, so I'm gonna let him out. Our grass is so long, so we really need to mow it. Oh, and Simba's doing his business. Good boy. Hi, Simba. He's so happy. Simba, what's up? So this concludes the video today. If you liked the video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, everyone, and see you next time.